Luck on your ears. Handcrafted 4-leaf clover earrings. Let's go over the materials needed for the earrings. 8mm green patterns beads. 2.5 cm long extension chain. 8 pieces of 8mm jump ring. A set of earrings hook. 0.5mm string. Pre-cut to pieces of string for the earrings. Take one of the strings and slide on for beads followed by 4 jump rings, alternating between 1 bead and 1 jump ring. Repeat this process until all 4 beads and 4 jump rings are on the string. Now, securely tie knots to secure the beads and jump rings on the string. Adjust the jump rings if needed so that they are positioned between the beads. I'm using pliers to hold the shorter end and pull the knot tighter. Cut off the excess string. Now, let's repeat the same process for the other part of the earrings. Once the second one is done, let's add the chain. Open one of the jump rings between the beads and slide the chain in. Afterwards, close the opening. You can also open one of the chain links and slide it onto the jump ring between the beads. Don't forget to close the opening. Take the earring hook and slide the other end of the chain onto the hook. Now, take a look at the final earrings. Thank you for joining me today as we crafted these stunning four-leaf clover earrings together. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY jewelry videos. May luck always be on your side, and I'll see you in the next one.